Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been slacking on my fashion DIYs a little bit lately, but I am back with this cute Valentine's Day outfit DIY and I hope you really enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and let me know what you think in the comments. I really want to hear you guys' feedback on how I'm doing and what you want to see next. So let's get started. Here's what you're gonna need, and of course all materials will be listed in the description box below. Okay, so first things first, we are going to have to make a pattern. My waist measurement is 27, divided by 2 is 13.5. You also want to take your hip measurement and divide that by 2 as well. Mine is 35, divided by 2 is 17.5. Go down, measure where you want your skirt to stop. My measurement was 34, so divide that by 2 and you get 17. So from waist to hip is 10 inches. That is where I'm going to mark my hip measurement, at the 10-inch mark. I wanted a mini skirt, so my skirt is a total of 17 inches. If you want it to be longer, your measurement will be a little bit different. My measurements for my top pattern piece is 6 inches high and 10 inches wide. I'm a A/B cup. To find your measurements, just measure from one side to the other of your boobies, and that should give you your width measurement. And just measure yourself for how much coverage you want, and that should give you the height of your pattern. Now for the waistband pattern piece, your waistband is going to be the length of your full waist measurement, which mine is 27, and everyone's pattern measurement for the width of it should be 4 inches. Don't forget to add a 1/2 inch seam allowance around all of your patterns. Here are the pattern pieces you should have. Measure in 3 inches from the outside to place your straps. Place your back straps at the very top of your fabric and at the very bottom. Now pin your facing on top of that. Tuck your straps in and you're going to sew all the way around, leaving about a 1/2 inch opening because that is how we're going to turn it inside out. After you're done sewing, this is exactly what it should look like. Turn it inside out through the 1/2 inch opening that you left. Now hand stitch the 1/2 inch opening closed. Now let's move on to the skirt. Pin both sides and sew. And sew together. Now grab your loop turner to turn it inside out. If you don't have a loop turner, attach a safety pin to it and just slide it through. Grab your loop turner again, attach the elastic to it and pull it through. Sew your elastic pieces together, and after that, sew the velvet facing together. Now it's time to attach your waistband. If you have a fabric that frays, your next step is to hem, and voila, you have your velvet Valentine's Day 2-piece. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day. See you next time. Bye.